Hey, what's going on, lovely people? I am actually here to do a review on this oldie but goodie, okay? And if y'all don't know what I'm talking about this wig here on my head. Now, this is a very old unit. When I say very old, I'm talking about it's probably about a year old. Not this particular unit, but this unit actually came out a year or so ago, probably over a year. But when I tell you guys, I wore this hair down to Destin, Florida, and it is the perfect beach hair, okay? It looks big. However, it's very, very airy. The thing that I love about it is very airy, and it still gives you that illusion of being very, very full, as you guys can see. So many of you guys asked me about the details of this wig, and I'm here to share it with you guys. Now, not only that, but the wig is only $13.99, okay? Not sponsored, not affiliate or anything like that. The wig is only $13.99. So go over to the Sam's Beauty and get your life. But the wig this is a Outre quick weave half wig, and the name is Peruvian, okay? I have so many of these. When I first started purchasing these wigs about a year or so ago, I would always buy multiple of these because these are like, they're go-tos, okay? It's really, really easy to just throw on. And the thing about it, it is a half wig, so you will need to pull out a little bit of your hair. But sometimes, depending on how you have the wig styled, you won't even need to pull out any of your edges. Like right now, I have very few of my edges pulled out, and you can't really even tell. Don't get me wrong, I ain't laid, fried, dyed, and laid to the side, but I don't really even have a lot of my edges pulled out, and you can't really even tell. And now I want you guys to know, this unit, I actually got in the ocean with it, got it wet. I also got in the pool with it, got it wet. I slept in it, and it is still good. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a curly synthetic unit, so it will get nappy on you over time. However, like I said, I got in the beach with it, I got in the pool with it, and it still looks good. I can definitely get probably another maybe 2 weeks worth of wear out of this. Probably more than that if I don't wear it very often, but I'm probably just going to get as much wear out of this particular unit as I can before I move on to another one. But again, this is Peruvian, okay? This is an Outre quick weave, and I know the lighting is kind of off right now, but the link will be down in the description box. Now, I did get it in a color number 1. I always get my units in a color number 1. Sometimes I get them in a 1B, but most of the times I get them in a color 1. But like I said, this is the perfect summer hair. I know it doesn't look like the perfect summer hair. Now, for those of you that can't stand to have any hair on your neck, I understand, okay, because it is hot outside. I don't know where you are in your neck of the woods, but here in Alabama, it is 100 degrees, girl. Spring just said, you know what? We ain't even going to show up this year. We're going to jump from winter straight to summer, and that is exactly what's going on. I pray for us come June, July, because it's going to sure enough be a hot mess. But again, this is Peruvian. It is an Outre quick weave wig, half wig, so you will need to pull out a little bit of your edges, but if you style it correctly, you won't have to pull out very many. So this is the wig that I have on. A lot of you guys asked me about it, and I'll leave the link in the description box. Again, this is not sponsored. This is not an affiliate link, but if it was, girls, don't judge nobody by how they get their paper. Okay, so go and get this wig in your life. It's very, 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 like I said, it's a full wig, but it's airy, okay? You get some air going around up and through there, so you don't have to worry about it being so big and bushy to where it's like weighing your head down. So go and get this, only $13.99 on Sam's Beauty. I'll leave the link down in the description box. See you guys in the next video. Bye.